Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to install Microsoft Edge into your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we will go to our start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for settings. After that, here you will come for apps. Click on that and go for installed app section. Click on that and here you will get all installed apps into your Windows operating system. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find Microsoft Edge over here, and if you click on this three dot button, you can see this uninstall button is disabled. So how you going to enable it and going to install it Microsoft Edge into your Windows 11 and 10, I'm going to show you. So first close it and go for your search option and search for registry editor. You can see here is a registry editor. If you click on that, they will go for a permission, click yes. So here you can see we are in registry editor. So now I will paste a command that will help me. So now I will do copy this command over here, going to copy it and I will paste it over here like this and click enter, and it will automatically redirect me to the Microsoft Edge option over here. Don't worry, I will give you this command into my video description, so you can copy it and go to the folder Microsoft Edge very easily. So after coming on Microsoft Edge, you will get an option called no remove. If you click on that, and here you will get this value 1. So here we need to give the value 0 and click OK. And now if we close it and if we go to the settings once again, click on your right mouse button, go for settings and go for the app section, go for the installed apps. So if I scroll down a little bit, you will get this Microsoft Edge. Click on your right mouse button and here you can see the install button is enabled. Click on install and it will installing your Microsoft Edge into your Windows 11 and 10. So this is how you can install Microsoft Edge into your Windows 11 and 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.